Welcome to our channel Travel Guide Allegiant Air Check in Process. Allegiant Air, the Las Vegas-based ultra-low-cost carrier, keeps base fares rock bottom by charging for nearly everything else, including aspects of check-in. Serving over 120 routes from smaller U.S. airports, Allegiant emphasizes self-service to slash overheads. The check-in process starts 24 hours before departure and must wrap up 45-60 minutes prior, blending online efficiency with airport realities. Expect fees for printing boarding passes, $5, or last-minute changes, but digital options keep it budget-friendly. Below are 7 key points demystifying the process, from prep to boarding. 1. Advanced preparation. Pre-check-in essentials, 24+ hours out. Kick off by ensuring your booking is solid via the Allegiant app or website, allegiantair.com. Log in with your confirmation code or e-ticket number to review details, seats, bags, and add-ons like priority boarding, $10.30. Seats aren't guaranteed if unpurchased up front, $5.80 per segment. Otherwise, random assignment happens at check-in, potentially splitting groups. Prepay for checked bags, $20 first bag, higher at airport, to avoid queues and hikes. Personal items, e.g., purse or small backpack under 18x 14 by 8 inches, are free. Carry-ons cost extra, $10.45. Download the Allegiant app, iOS, Android, for seamless notifications. Users praise its trip timeline cards for flight status alerts, though some gripe about login glitches. 2. Online check-in window. 24 hours to 60 minutes before departure. The core of Allegiant's process is web check-in, opening precisely 24 hours prior and closing 60 minutes before wheels up. Visit allegiantair.com/check-in or the app's Manage Trip tab. Enter your 6-digit booking code and last name, then verify passenger info, name, birth date, passport for internationals. Answer TSA security questions to flag any restrictions. You'll get a digital boarding pass emailed or app-loaded, scannable QR code for gates and security. This skips counters entirely for bagless travelers, saving time at hubs like Punta Gorda or Grand Rapids. Pro tip: check-in ASAP for better seat picks if unpurchased. Delays mean random rows and possible family separations. 3. Mobile app check-in. The digital Lifeline Allegiance app turns your phone into a check-in hub, mirroring the website but with extras like geofenced auto downloads for trips. Tap Upcoming Trips, select your flight, and breeze through verification. Same 24-hour window applies. It shines for real-time tweaks, add seats, buy bags, or snag upgrades mid-process. Over 4 million downloads highlight its convenience, with users raving about paperless boarding at TSA checkpoints using credential authentication technology, CAT, scanners. Drawbacks? Occasional crashes or logouts have frustrated bookers, potentially costing points in Allegiant's loyalty program. Still, it's ideal for tech-savvy flyers, integrating flight status and gate changes without Wi-Fi hunts. 4. Airport counter check-in. The fee-heavy fallback if digital fails, e.g., no device or group travel. Head to the ticket counter, open 2 hours before departure, closing 45-60 minutes prior. Present ID, driver's license or passport, and booking code. Staff handle verification and print boarding passes for $5 each at select spots. This suits families or those with checked bags, but lines swell at smaller airports like Asheville or Sioux Falls. Expect scrutiny on bag fees, prepaid is cheaper, and no-frills service reflecting Allegiant's model. Unaccompanied minors, pets, or special needs passengers must check here. Call ahead, 702-505-8888 for assistance. Arrive early, 2 hours minimum to buffer security and bag drops. 5. Baggage handling during check-in. Pay-to-play rules. Check-in ties directly to baggage. Declare it online or at counters to avoid gate drama. 1 free personal item fits under seats. Carry-ons, 22x16 by 10 inches, require fees, as do checked bags, up to 50 pounds, 80 linear inches max. Drop checked luggage at kiosks or counters post-check-in, 1 hour before flight for processing. Overweight, oversize? Extra $25.75. Firearms or meds go in checked bags only, unloaded, locked cases for guns. Gate check strollers, car seats free. This a la carte setup keeps fares low but demands pre-planning. Airport buys jack prices 50%, turning a $30 online bag into $45 chaos. 6 fees and penalties. The hidden costs of procrastination. Allegiant's check-in isn't freewheeling, miss the window, and penalties bite. No show for online check-in? Airport fees apply, plus random seating risks. Printed passes cost $5. No digital option means no boarding. Changes post-check-in, e.g., name tweaks, incur $25.75, and international flyers need ESTA visa uploads early. Trip Flex Insurance, $5.20, covers cancellations within 24 hours of booking, if over a week out, but standard fares are non-refundable. Loyalty members earn points only if logged in. App glitches have cost users rewards. Budget wisely. These nickel and dimes add up, but early action keeps totals under control. 7. Post-check-in to boarding. Seamless-ish. Flow with pass in hand, hit security, TSA pre-check compatible, and gates 30-45 minutes early. Allegiant enforces cutoffs strictly for on-time ops. Boarding splits into zones. Pre-board for needs, assistance, then rows 1-9, priority, carry-on folks, followed by 10+ in back-to-front order. No assigned zones without seats bought, so early check-in boosts odds for front-loading. Displays show updates, app pings delays. At the gate, scan your mobile pass, paper backups ready if tech falters. This caps a process that's quick for prepared flyers but punitive for last-minuters, embodying Allegiance, you get what you pay for, ethos. Allegiance check-in rewards foresight, punishing impulsivity in true ULCC fashion. Master it, and you'll zip from curb to cabin affordably, fumble, and fees mount. As routes expand in 2025, expect app upgrades to smooth edges. Until then, check in digitally and save the stress. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and comment to our channel. Thank you for watching.